Welcome to the Invoizen ADU Plumbing Quick Estimate. This tool helps you collect project details and instantly create an itemized plumbing estimate for an accessory dwelling unit, or ADU. Let's get started. First, select the type of ADU. Choose a new detached ADU for a brand new standalone unit with a complete plumbing system. You can also select a garage conversion, basement conversion, attached addition, or junior ADU built within the existing home. Next, choose the plumbing services required for the project. You may select more than one option, including a full new plumbing system, kitchen plumbing, bathroom plumbing, laundry hookups, or an exterior hose bib. Now select the utility connection. The ADU may share the main house's plumbing and utility meters, or it may have a separate water meter and independent utility service. If you are unsure, select Need Assessment. The contractor can evaluate the property and determine the best connection method during the site visit. Next, choose the bathroom configuration. Select a half bathroom with a toilet and sink, a full bathroom with a shower bathtub, one full bathroom plus a half bathroom, or two complete bathrooms. Now select the kitchen plumbing setup. Choose No Kitchen if the ADU requires bathroom plumbing only. Select Kitchenette for a small sink with minimal plumbing, or Full Kitchen for a sink, faucet, dishwasher hookup, and garbage disposal. Next, choose the water heating option. The ADU may share the main house's existing water heater, or it can have a dedicated tankless or traditional tank water heater. You can also select any additional work required for the project. Available options include a gas line, rough-in, washer and dryer hookups, a backflow preventer, underground utility trenching, permit and inspection coordination, and a water softener loop. This step is optional, so you may skip it when no additional services are required. After answering the questions, Invoizen uses AI to generate a preliminary cost estimate based on the selected project details. Finally, enter the customer's contact information and choose where to send the quote. Using this contact information, Invoizen automatically creates a customer profile and generates an itemized estimate. Before sending it, the contractor can review and edit the estimate, adjust descriptions, quantities, and prices, or add and remove items as needed. Item descriptions can also be created or improved by AI while considering all the work included in the estimate. When everything is ready, the contractor can email the professional estimate directly to the customer. Once the customer accepts the estimate, the contractor can convert it into an invoice and request a deposit online. With Invoizen Quick Estimate, contractors can collect project information, prepare professional estimates, and follow up with customers, all through one simple workflow